So in this Robinhood tutorial video, I will be showing you guys how to buy SWI or SUI cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. So once Robinhood's opened up, go to the bottom, select the magnifying glass. Once you're here, go to the top to where it says search by name or symbol. And I want you to type in SUI. I'm not sure if it's SWI, C, SWI, SUI, whatever it is, type that in. It's right here. Once it's selected, go to the bottom and select the green buy button. Then once you're here, you can type in how much you want to buy. So if you wanted to buy $5 worth, you would type in 5 and then press review. Then once you're on this page, you can review the order. You can see the amount that you're buying, the fees, the cost, etc. And if this looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how you guys can buy SWI or SUI cryptocurrency here on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.